Then, baby, is it the shoes?
I don't know. Is it the shoes?
They like the way you do what you do. Yeah, Peter Puck, pick a pipe pan. That's my man Dan. Dan is the rock with you, get your rock with you. Got.
Turn it up.
I'm back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream. Back out fresh on the scene. Franchise best on the team. Blue faces busting out the scene. New life is something like a dream.
What is good, YouTube? I am bringing you, as promised, my wash day routine from what I do to shampoo, condition, and detangle. Now, you see how moisturized my hair is? I already dropped a video on what I do to get my hair this moisturized for wash day, so make sure you go check out my last Vlogmas videos in the series, and this is what it looks like. So we're already starting with a really good, juicy base right now. So now I'm just going to clip these sections back up. I just wanted to show you my hair and what it's looking like. I untwist my first section, and then I'm going to go in with one of my favorite cleansers ever, the Uncle Funky's Squeaky Deep Cleansing Shampoo. And this shampoo is so, like, look at it, y'all. It is great for detangling, but if you have low porosity hair, this is the best cleanser I've ever tried in my life, y'all. Like, if you have any type of buildup, it is going to just bust the buildup, like kill all the buildup you have. Like, a lot of shampoos, I may have to go back in, or I may notice there's still a kind of film on my hair. This breaks down anything. And it's like my hair feels squeaky clean, but it doesn't feel super stripped. It is just like one of the best. I can't rave about this enough. And it also helps with detangling. Like, as you can see, because my hair is getting cleansed properly, my curls are starting to pop out a little more, which that's always a good sign for a good cleanser. Because with low porosity hair, when your curls have buildup, they tend to have less definition, at least in my hair's case. Then I'm just going to rinse it out. I usually start with this at the roots, and I make sure to go thoroughly through my scalp. Then after my stronger cleanser, I usually go in with this Curlsmith Curl Quenching Conditioning Wash. Now this stuff, y'all, is so great for detangling your hair. It is one of the best detanglers I found, next to probably like the Knot Butter from Sultanicals, but this, it really gets through. Like, you'll start to see I'm just finger detangling through my hair. I used to be like anti-finger detangling. I thought it took too long, but when you have the right product, it is a breeze. And I try to detangle my hair a lot less in the shower these days to help maintain my length, because I realize that I'm still going in during my styling process with a fine tooth brush, so there's no need to go overboard with detangling in the shower if I'm just going to detangle again when I'm styling. So I rinse that out, and then I go in with the Postbiotic Calming Conditioner from Curlsmith. Now I really like this one because all the products I mentioned are silicone free. The texture of this conditioner is really comparable to the Aussie Moist, but as you'll see here, I still finger detangle a little bit, and then I don't put a comb or any detangling tool to my hair until the very last step when I have this conditioner in. And I use this Dyson wide tooth comb, and I feel like this comb just glides through my hair. And again, since I'm going to be detangling during my styling process, there's no need to do excessive fine tooth detangling, like 6 times essentially, if you're going to do it again anyway. So I just get my hair detangled enough so it's easy to manage when I am going through. Look at that, y'all. Look at how that glides through. It's the combination of a really good pre-poo routine, really great conditioners and styling products, and just overall maintenance of the hair. And I haven't been doing this to my hair a lot. I've been protective styling, but still, just having a good process, your hair will start to bounce right back, as you see here. Now I'm just going to clip my hair up, and I'm going to repeat all of this on these sections. I like to do 2 cleansing processes simply because I use a lot of creams, oils, and gel in my hair when I'm styling, so I think it's just necessary to start with a really nice squeaky clean base, and my hair appreciates me for it. It also helps when I get into my deep conditioning process, which will be the next video, just having a nice clean base, because your deep conditioner can penetrate a lot deeper when your strands are actually squeaky clean. So I feel like my products all just work better when my base is clean. You know, it's similar to like makeup. If you don't wash your face really well, and then you go put makeup on over like dry skin patches and stuff, it's gonna come out looking a little crusty. So we don't want crusty hair, y'all. No crusty hair 2020. All right. So yeah, as you can see, I'm even finger detangling with my shampoo in because that's just how slippery this shampoo is. It literally feels like a flaxseed gel almost. The back of my hair is actually 4B predominantly, especially towards the nape of the neck, the kitchen if you will. And I just wanted to show you guys just how easy detangling can really be on your wash day with the proper preparation and the proper tools and products. You can really have a stress-free wash day. This does not take me long at all. I think maximum it takes me about 25 minutes for the whole shower process. So yeah, and I'm really happy with how my hair comes out and how it feels afterwards. Even with no product in it, my hair feels amazing. So comment below what your favorite things are to do on your wash day. Y'all got any tips for me that you think would be helpful? And just peace out and gang. See you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, y'all, and hit that like button. Love y'all.
I need a little bit of trust from you. Or we can let the guns